It is said that good things comes in small packages. No, I'm not talking about myself. I am talking about this box in front of me. Mars Hydro SP3000 LED grow light. Before I open this box, I just want to clarify that I am not paid to do this video, and therefore I can give you my honest, unbiased opinion about this product. So this is more the commercial range of LED grow lights, so you can hook up 15 units into like a daisy chain. I had the good fortune of having this sent to me by Mars Hydro to test and give my honest opinion on how it would work on growing succulents. This is the upgraded version of their popular SP250, and I can't wait to see if this would enable me to grow colorful succulents indoors. It's a very, very, very compact unit, so just a bit over a meter. The on and off button, and it's dimmable. This is the switch, and also you've got this cable. Okay, this one now, this is the phone cable that comes with it. So this is what you use. So say for example you've got another unit, and what you do is you plug it into the back here. So this goes with that, and then this goes to the other unit. So you can have two units growing if you're going to grow some commercial succulents. Or I know grow lights are normally used for something else, for growing plants, really healthy plants. But anyway, so this one, you plug it in here on this mother unit, and you plug into another unit, and then you can just control it with this one control here, and then it's dimmable. So this would be good for my succulents in adjusting the minimum and the maximum. So I don't know what the number is, so maybe it's 25 degrees Celsius, but then we'll have to see the strength of the light. So this is a power cord, and that goes with this, and this goes with that, and let's it's pretty simple and basic, and everything is pretty solid. But we have to turn this over for the other side. But wait, I saw this, look at that. Stickers! Mars Hydro. Ooh, mean looking, mister. And you know what that plant is, that leaf in it? Is that considered a succulent as well? I like the stickers. See, look at that. Oh, we're going to Mars. Okay, so there's nowhere to hang. Normally I would hang it up, say, over here. But there's no holes. Okay, maybe that. Okay, why you? Okay, that one is got to be go there. That'll do. This is the only bad thing. There's nowhere to hook this up. But anyway, just the O in the O. Okay, we go in the O. There's a bigger gap there. Go, baby. There you go. And now opposite that. Okay, there you go. So one done. We'll do the opposite side, so we'll do equal. Oops, again, it's the same thing. The logo gets in the way. So, we'll find a hole again here. So you got Mars Hydro. Oh, hang on. Boom. Go in, and then go in there. Okay, now I'm ready to hang this up. I just need a cord. This is where I'm going to set up the SP3000 grow light. And the best way to do this is to either drill a hole in the ceiling and do some hooks, you know, hanging off the ceiling. But I don't really want to do that. So what I've decided is to buy this clothes rack. Look at this. So this is the perfect equipment to hang the SP3000. Then the whole length of this clothes rack is about 1100, so which is perfect for the grow light. And so this is used for hooking up into curtains, and just so happen I've got this fancy curtain hook. So this has got a fancy little hooky thing, so I don't even know where I got this from, but anyway, so that locks up there. Okay, now and on to the other side as well. There you go. So there's 2 of them. Okay, so the more, the heavier it gets, the more it locks in. So which is really good. And then now I'm gonna hook up my rope. So this is intended to use for a tent, but I haven't got a tent. You could have sent me a tent, but anyway, what I'm gonna do is just hook this up onto here. There you go, and also to the, okay, look, I got a budgie on my shoulder. Budgie on my shoulder. Hang on. Yeah, I thought it wasn't recording, baby P. Okay, so now this one hooks up to reverse, that one too. There you go. Okay, he's off. Now I'm gonna hang this up. This is a lot of rope here. Okay, I'm just gonna move back the camera so you can see what I'm doing here. So we go lift and put it up here. This is only 5.5 kilos. Where's the cord? So I'm probably best flicking this over on the other side because okay, I probably have done that wrong. See? Anyway, are you gonna fit? Doesn't matter. Okay, 1, hook up, 2. Okay, there you go. I'm set up. And then the cord, I can put the cord over. So this just sort of sticks out a little bit compared to the clothes rack, but that doesn't matter. Also on the other side there. Okay, so I'm just gonna neatify the whole thing, so I don't like this rope hanging about there, so I'm gonna flick that to the other side. And I am actually going to swap this now on the opposite side of that, because that would be better, because that way it can pull from the outside in. So the Mars Hydro SP3000 is now set up, and look at that, all nice and neat. So much easier to get the rope and adjust it up and down if I need to. And so also the cables are all secure and tied up with plant clips like this ones. There you go. And okay, so now I'm ready to grow some succulents. Yeah, also I don't waste anything. So the plywood, the packaging that came with it as well, is actually handy to put it on top of this, and I can put some trays or also a board across to put my succulents in. If you'd like to know more information about this Mars Hydro SP3000 grow light, or if you'd like to purchase one, please go to Mars Hydro website by clicking the link below this video in the description box, and also you can use the code LISTCREATE to get a discount. I can't wait to show you guys the results achieved by this grow light in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep healthy. This is now daytime here, and I am going to turn on my Mars Hydro to show hubby what it looks like. Okay, so I'll put it on the lowest setting and let there be light. Ooh, look at that. Mars Hydro stickers, look at that, how pretty. Okay, I'm going to turn it up. That is 25, 50, 75, and 100 degrees. I can feel, even at the maximum, I can still feel warmth, but not hot. Look at that. Oh. And if we go, say, the succulents need about 30 degrees, maybe make it 35. And eventually I'll gradually get it up to 50. And that's hardly any warmth. I wouldn't say heat, because it's just warmth. Okay? Fantastic! Mars Hydro.